Ever wondered if she has a crush on you, if she is head over heels in love? Well, it's written all over her face. A woman in love just can't seem to keep her secret under wraps. You just need to understand those signs. The code of human emotions is a tricky game that can be mastered with a little knowledge and intuition. So, stay tuned as we delve into the top 10 signs she has a huge crush on you. First, she initiates contact. Now, this might seem simple, but it's a huge indicator of interest. Think about it. In the world of social media, it's incredibly easy to shoot a quick text or start a conversation. If she's the one reaching out, taking that first step, it means she's making an effort. She's stepping out of her comfort zone to connect with you. It's a bold move, and one that should not be overlooked. So if she's reaching out first, it's a good sign she's into you. Second, she remembers small details. It's the little things that count, right? Imagine casually mentioning that you prefer your coffee black, and then at her house or at any cafe, she always gets black coffee for you. It's like she has a secret catalog of everything you've ever said. Why? Because when someone's smitten, they pay attention, they remember. If you enjoy our content, please show your support by liking our content and subscribing to our channel. Your gesture will be greatly appreciated, so if she's recalling these tiny things, she's definitely got a crush. Third, she's nervous around you. She always seems a bit jittery when you're around. She might stumble over her words, smile and blush uncontrollably, or even drop things. It's not because she's clumsy or cheerful, it's because she's into you, and she loves it when you're around. This happiness of you being around her is the reason for her uncontrollable blush and smile. The pressure of making a good impression can make anyone nervous. So pay attention to these little signs of nervousness. If she stammers, blushes, or gets jittery around you, she probably has feelings for you. Fourth, she teases you. Now, this is not mean-spirited mockery, but light-hearted playfulness. It's a way for her to create a unique bond with you. It's also a method of keeping things casual while exploring deeper feelings. So if she's poking fun at your quirky habits or playfully challenging you, it's a good sign she's into you. Remember, teasing is a classic "I have a crush on you" behavior. Fifth, she compliments you. Now, this isn't about flattery or empty praise, but genuine compliments that make you feel good. Maybe she appreciates your sense of humor, admires your work ethic, or is impressed by your knowledge. These compliments could be direct or indirect. Either way, if she's consistently finding ways to highlight your positive attributes, it's a pretty good indication she's into you. Remember, compliments are a clear sign of attraction. Sixth, she tries to get close to you. This is a subtle yet powerful signal. When someone has a crush, they tend to gravitate towards their interest. They'll find reasons to be near you, whether it's sitting next to you at a gathering or brushing against your arm when laughing at a joke. Even the smallest touch can hold a world of meaning. So pay attention to these small gestures. They might just be telling you something. Physical proximity is a huge indicator of attraction. Seventh, she gets jealous. This might not be the most pleasant sign, but it's a pretty clear one. If she has a crush on you, she might feel jealous when she sees you interacting with other girls. She might not even realize she's doing it, but it's a subconscious reaction that shows she wants your attention for herself. It's not about possessiveness, but about the fear of losing something precious. Jealousy is a sure sign that she has feelings for you. 8, she shows genuine interest in your life. It's not about casual small talk or mere politeness. She wants to know about your passions, your dreams, your favorite music, and even your favorite midnight snack. She'll ask about your past, your future, and everything in between. She's not just passing time, she's investing it in understanding you. She's piecing together the chapters of your story because she wants to be a part of it. If she's interested in your life, she's interested in you. 9th, she's always available for you. Now, we're not talking about her dropping everything at a moment's notice. That's not healthy or realistic. But if you notice, she's often there when you need her, even at odd hours. That's a strong sign. She's making time in her schedule because she values your company and wants to be part of your life. She's showing up consistently. This isn't about convenience, it's about commitment. Being available is her way of showing she cares. And 10th, she finds reasons to talk to you. From the latest movie release to the most trivial piece of news, she'll find a way to weave it into your conversations. It could be sharing a funny meme, a trending video, or even a random thought that popped into her head. Her objective? To keep you engaged, to keep the conversation flowing. If she's always finding reasons to strike up a conversation, it's a clear sign she's into you. So there you have it, the top 10 signs she has a crush on you. These could be indications of her growing feelings. In the realm of romance, actions often speak louder than words. These signs are not set in stone, but they can provide valuable hints. So keep your eyes open and your heart ready. Remember, every person is unique, but these signs can give you a hint about her feelings. If you enjoy our content, please show your support by liking our content and subscribing to our channel. Your gesture will be greatly appreciated.